Okay, got a break in the weather. A whole bunch of wind though, but you know what? Screw it. I am sick of being a slave to shitty Florida weather. Pardon my French, but enough is enough. Paper Snippet's gonna fly or crash. one or the other. Alright. Just gonna go for it here. See that flag over there? This thing's quite a bit heavier. It's pushing 160 grams total. With the tape on the bottom of the wing, you can see. This field, this is the high part of this field, so it's relatively dry. But let's see how this goes here. Well, it's airborne. Okay. I don't think I'm going to take it easy on this because whoa, look at that tail flutter. All right, well, proof that it flies. It's not as floaty as any of Boa's gliders, clearly, but it handles the wind better than any of the smaller ones I've built, so that's cool. Walk back here toward the backpack. Whoa, look at that tail flutter. Jeez. She's actually going up in the headwind a little bit. Maybe I can just ride that up. Yep. Flat field wave here, basically. I don't know. It's right on the coast. No ailerons, obviously. Not as maneuverable as I'd like. Let's try again. Oh shit. Whoa. Whoa. Negatory. My spin. It's nasty. Just wanted to dive in the throw, I guess. It is windy, guys. It's probably blowing 10 knots, so this thing being able to do this well, actually not bad. Okay, well.